Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at BNB Kong, Tron Kong's twin site. Get started by signing up with your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay email. BNB Kong and Tron Kong are gaming faucets that pay out free crypto every hour. You solve a CAPTCHA and get free money. It's that simple. After you log in, your dashboard will be on the left. Here you can choose to use your faucet, do surveys or play games. Let's select Faucet. Now solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of your screen. It's above the surveys. After you solve the CAPTCHA, verify your email to get your bonus spins. But for now, let's choose games and select dice. Place your bet amount, then set your win chance to above 90%. Losing is a waste of time and money. Now make a few rolls. If you lose, quadruple your bet. If you lose again, you're supposed to bet half of your entire balance because losing 3 times in a row is extremely rare. I lost a little, but I could easily make it back using this strategy. If you lose, you can do surveys to get your money back and get to the withdrawal limit a lot faster. The CPX surveys are the easiest to complete. I will show you how in the next video. When you want to withdraw, go back to your dashboard and select Withdraw. The minimum withdrawal isn't too high, so you should be able to cash out quickly. When you're done on BNB Kong, you can shoot over to Tron Kong and claim there as well. Go to your faucet on Tron Kong and claim the same way as BNB. Since both sites are the same, I don't have to explain how to use Tron Kong again. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.